Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Mastery channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This time, we will discuss something that surely interests everyone. 10 tips to prevent body odor. Don't miss the interesting and practical information that we will share to keep you fresh throughout the day. Let's dive in and discover the powerful secrets to preventing body odor. Number 1. Shower regularly with antibacterial soap. Take a shower at least once a day using antibacterial soap to thoroughly clean the body and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Number 2. Use antiperspirant or deodorant. Apply antiperspirant or deodorant daily to control sweat production and provide antibacterial protection, thus preventing unwanted odor. Number 3. Choose appropriate and breathable clothing. Choose clothing made of sweat-absorbing materials like cotton and avoid overly tight clothes. Breathable clothing helps maintain air circulation around the body. Number 4. Change clothing regularly. Change clothes regularly, especially after physical activities or when clothes are soaked with sweat, to prevent the growth of bacteria that can cause odor. Number 5. Pay attention to foot hygiene. Clean your feet thoroughly, including between the toes, and make sure your feet are completely dry before putting on clean socks. Number 6. Avoid strong-smelling foods. Limit the consumption of foods or drinks such as onions, garlic, and coffee, which can impart a strong aroma to sweat and the body. Number 7. Consume an adequate amount of water. Drink enough water throughout the day to help flush toxins from the body and reduce moisture that can lead to odor. Number 8. Regularly brush teeth and clean the tongue. Brush your teeth regularly, clean your tongue, and use antiseptic mouthwash to reduce bacteria in the mouth that can cause bad breath. Number 9. Avoid stress. Manage stress through relaxation methods or exercise, as stress can trigger increased sweating. Number 10. Check body health. Ensure there are no underlying health issues, such as infections or excessive sweating disorders, that may cause body odor. If body odor persists as a problem, consult with a doctor for further evaluation. Those are the 10 simple tips to prevent body odor, guys. Hope you like them and can implement them directly in your daily life. Leave a comment if you have additional tips or if you'd like us to discuss another topic. See you in the next video. Stay fresh and motivated.